Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the floral band compatible with Apple Watch for women. A stylish and versatile option for anyone looking to elevate their Apple Watch experience. This band is crafted by CreateGreat, a brand known for combining fashion-forward design with practical functionality. And it promises to make your smartwatch stand out while keeping comfort front and center. From the moment you unbox it, the quality of this band is immediately noticeable. Made entirely from high-quality silicone, it's soft, flexible, and breathable, so it feels gentle on the skin while still being durable enough for daily wear. What really sets this band apart is its unique multi-tone silicone inlay design, featuring a cute butterfly and wildflower pattern. The colors are vibrant and designed not to fade, giving your watch a fresh, lively look that lasts. Whether you're heading to the office, hitting the gym, or going out for a casual day, this band adds a stylish, feminine touch to any outfit. Compatibility is another strong point. This band is available for all popular Apple Watch sizes, including 38mm, 40mm, 41mm, 42mm, 44mm, 45mm, 46mm, and even 49mm models. It works seamlessly across Apple Watch Series 1 through Series 10, including the SE models and the latest Ultra editions. That means no matter which Apple Watch you own, you can enjoy this beautifully designed band without worrying about fit. Speaking of fit, the band features an adjustable double-hole lock design, which allows it to accommodate wrists from 5.1 inches to 7.9 inches. This ensures a secure and comfortable fit without slipping, so you can go about your day confidently. Changing the band is also incredibly easy. With a simple slide-in mechanism, you can swap it out in seconds, giving you the flexibility to switch styles depending on your mood or outfit. Aesthetically, this band is a real winner. The combination of a soft silicone feel with a dressy, engraved floral pattern makes it suitable for both casual and more formal occasions. It's a versatile accessory that enhances your Apple Watch without overpowering it. Plus, it's lightweight, waterproof, and designed to keep up with an active lifestyle, whether you're working out, running errands, or just enjoying a day out. Overall, the CreateGreat Floral Apple Watch Band for women is a well-rounded accessory that blends comfort, durability, and eye-catching design. It's perfect for anyone who wants to make a statement with their smartwatch while maintaining practicality and everyday usability. If you're looking for a band that's stylish, durable, and compatible with nearly every Apple Watch model, this one is definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech and accessories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.